To set up Do Not Disturb mode in POCO X8 Pro, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate down to the sound and vibration options, and then we can scroll down until we find the Do Not Disturb mode. Now simply click on it, and then you'll be able to turn it on or off using this switch. When it's on, you can change the options that it works only when device is locked. That means your Do Not Disturb mode will work only when you lock your device. You can also change options for calls, which calls will be able to interrupt Do Not Disturb mode, calls from anyone, calls from contacts only, start contacts only, or none of them. You can also enable notify about repeated calls. That means if somebody tries to call you 2 times in a span of 15 minutes, the call will go through. Lastly, there's schedule to turn on, and this allows you to add specific rules where Do Not Disturb mode will work automatically. You can change the start time right here, change the end time right here, and also adjust when it should repeat. After that, you can click on OK, and that way your schedule will be added. Make sure that it's enabled if you want to use it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.